Welcome! In front of me is an iPhone with iOS 26, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So first, press and hold your finger on an empty space of your lock screen and then enter your passcode once it appears on the screen. Then swipe to the right and click on the plus button, and here you can choose wallpaper from the photos, or you can choose one of the presented wallpapers like Kaleidoscope, Unity, Pride, iOS, Collections, Color, and all the different kinds of wallpapers. So select the wallpaper that you like. You can customize it by moving the features around, expanding it, changing the font, the color. Click Add, and then if you want, you can customize your home screen. You can select the color, gradient, your personal photo, and you can blur the wallpaper on the home screen if you want. And when you're done, select Done. And to switch to this wallpaper, click right here. And just like this, you can change wallpaper on your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.